Hello, fans of your pink shorty shorts. This, this, this is a Duck Jackson with the Michael Jackson tribute. Oh, ho, ho, he's dead, and he's black, but he's white. Who's there? Who's there? Come in. Who is it? Little boys? Oh no. Hi, how you doing? Hi, how you doing? I think that's Jay Lee, boy. Hi, how you doing? Ow! It's Jay Lee. It's Jay Lee, boys. And what's the other one? What's the other gentleman there that we want? Oh. Who could this possibly be? Ozzy Osbourne.
Michael.
Oh, Sunday. How you doing? I'm doing good. You didn't ask me how I was doing.
How you doing?
Pretty good, thank you. Spending my time at Neverland a lot. Oh no, now that I'm dead, we might have a few situations with that one. I might have to cancel my tour. I don't know. It's like, ow! Ow! You make you want to dance, don't it? Now you're hard. Oh! Nobody wants to be hurt. Nobody wants to be hurt now. Don't do it. Nobody wants to be hurt. There's no smoking in Neverland. Ozzy!
Michael!
Forever! Oh, another Ozzy.
Let's see some of them dance moves.
See some of the dance moves?
You are getting Michael right in the way of Michael.
Ozzy! Overdosed again?
No.
Sir? Let's see if I can Ozzy, how you doing today? Right on, Ozzy. Right on. Jay Lee. Mr. Big Pamper. Oh, hey, you're a little boy, aren't you? It's okay, I love you anyway. You're destroying my Neverland. Put it down. Put it down. Put my Neverland down. Ozzy. That's not the bathroom. Ow. Oh yeah. Traditional 80s. Oh snap. Stop the violence. We're supposed to save the world, not produce more violence. There was no smoking in Neverland, Ozzy. Stop the violence, guys! Stop it! Stop the violence! Ah!
Where you go?
Stop the violence! Ozzy! 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 Stop it! Stop it! Ozzy! Stop it!
Leave little Ozzy alone.
Ozzy! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it, Ozzy! Stop! No smoking in Neverland. Ah! My face! And my nose! Ah!
I'm gonna burn ya.
Ah! Run, Daisy, run, I'll save you. Ah! I'm taking you all the way to next week. Ah! Take my record.
Lightning on Never!
Oh, no, you didn't. Run my face one more time. You're going to find something poking you. Oh, no, you didn't. Ah, Michael! Won't you touch my record ever again?
You ain't nobody.
No! curious to talk to you about. Believe it or not, I was black.
Really?
Yeah.
I used to be white.
Did you? Oh.
Is that camera?
Uh-huh. It's okay though. It won't bite. I promise. Only I bite back. No! You children of the world! You're tearing it all apart! Stop it! Stop it!
I know Prince of Darkness, foo!
Stop! You guys are gonna kill me! Stop it! Ah! Go in the bathroom!
No, a heart attack's gonna kill you.
You don't know that.
I do.
You don't know that at
I
all.
swear.
You don't know.
Sharon can read the future.
You don't know that. Don't scare me like that. I got a tour coming up. I got to practice for it. Ow! Oh, you don't know. You don't. Oh, no, you didn't. You killed my monkey. Leave me alone. What do you think you're doing to sleep in my house like that? Oh, no, you didn't. Oh, no, you did. Oh, no, you didn't. I think Osborne. Do you think you... Yeah, trying to smoke, huh?
I'm done.
You're alcoholic. Oh, no, 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 you didn't. Oh, no, you didn't. No, not the 25th anniversary celebration of Thriller. You should not just go there. Probably have a situation. I swear you guys are going to kill me if you don't stop. Just stop it. Stop the violence. You guys are so violent these days. What am I? Ozzy! Children!
Don't come up right now, hold on. Give me 5 seconds. No! No!
Ah! Ah!
Hey, you're gonna turn to stone!
I can't. Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! We need to celebrate the world with dance. Yeah! Don't you know smoking in my house? That's right. Stop it! Stop! Stop it! You gotta turn it up! Don't you touch the Coke bottle! Don't you touch it! I swear you take a toke of that, that's the last thing you'll see is you'll see something poking you in your buttocks. Ah! By the power of dance, just saved me. Ozzy-land.
Don't you ever bite me again!
Ah! 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 I don't know what to do. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Ah! Ah! Stop it! Stop it!
You broke a dead mark.
Run! Run, Jaylee! Run! Ozzy, I love you. Don't you cover up the camera in my house. You can't do that.
You know, I was wondering.
I remember these days. They're amazing.
The force has got a lot of power, and it makes me feel like it makes me feel like
It's the Michael Jackson house party. We're signing out. I'm done.
No, 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 Mom!
Jalen!